I'm going to be building the craziest avatar-themed PC that you have ever seen. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. This video is brought to you by Manscaped.com, the global brand for men's hygiene and grooming products. Here we have the Manscaped Performance Package 4.0. My wife was like, "Oh my God, Manscaped, you're the best." Very impressive packaging. This is the Lawnmower 4.0, a fully waterproof body trimmer with advanced skin-safe technology which reduces nicks on the most sensitive areas. We have cordless charging, and the LED lights on the front show you how much charge you have. I'm sure some people are going to need a lot. Tapping the button 3 times on the front also enables the travel lock feature. Also included in the Performance Package 4.0 is the Crop Preserver Ball Deodorant. Chuck this bad boy on you after a shower for all-day odor protection. The Crop Reviver is a convenient spritz for quick refreshing with aloe vera to help cool and freshen up those family jewels. This is the Manscaped Weed Whacker nose and ear hair trimmer. Again, wireless with the same skin-safe technology, meaning you can trim worry-free. So go to manscaped.com, get yourself 20% off and free shipping with code IFR at checkout. Your balls will thank you. So this is the brand new Thermaltake Core P3 TG Pro. I don't know what the differences are between the regular Core P3, but all I know is someone likes to use a lot of tape. There's tape everywhere. All right, let's get this one unboxed. Wow. Oh, yes. Wait, can you see something? It's just white. I'm kind of cutting the foam. All right, I say we just force it open now. Oh, did I break something? Should be right. Oh my goodness. Wow, okay. So this must be, I don't know what that is. And this must be, I don't know what that is. Wait, okay. So this is the bracket that can either mount up the top of the case or at the front for an extra radiator spot. We will be using that because we want as much radiator space as possible. And then I believe that this is pretty much a regular Core P3. It is Z790 time, the ROG Maximus Z790 Extreme motherboard. We did a build with this a couple weeks ago, didn't we? But we decided to bring it back out because, I mean, realistically, we don't have too many Z790 boards on hand. Plus, I think it looks pretty sick. What do you reckon about that motherboard? It looks so good. Actually, that heatsink is super beefy, so I might have to change the graphics card. I don't think we could use the EK Active backplate with this one. What are you laughing at? So this is the Intel Core i9-13900K CPU, and we finally got a retail box. It is unopened, so we'll use our trusty unboxing knife to get that open. This particular CPU is an absolute gaming beast with 8 performance cores, 16 efficient cores, for a total of 24 cores and 32 threads. Remember how the older ones were like a gold box? Now we've got the nice sort of mirrored silver, I guess. Cool. Yeah, this is the 13900K. Currently the best gaming CPU in the world. Come on, is it lean with it? Lean with it.
There it is. Got it.
So this is the Lexar NM80 Pro, probably some of the fastest NVMe storage that we currently own, or that is actually out there at 7,500 megabytes per second read speeds. I don't exactly know off the top of my head what the write is, but this is 2 terabytes storage, and I'm pretty sure we've already got Windows preloaded on there, so it's gonna make it a lot easier for us when we're testing games and things like that. So for today's RAM, we're gonna go with the Thermaltake Tough RAM Z1 ARGB RAM, of course, DDR5. I think that if we set this to like a, what do you reckon, like a bluey, greeny type color, I think that'll really suit the theme that we're after. And I think it's a nice low profile, clean type of RAM. So yeah, I think this is just gonna be the perfect fit for this build. So this is the Pacific MX2 Ultra. It's actually one of Thermaltake's newer CPU blocks that they've released. And it also has a 2.1 inch LCD display on the front. So we could put a little GIF, probably like an avatar GIF. What do you reckon? Like to further go with the theme. Does not have pre-applied thermal paste, but we'll make sure to take the protective film off. And of course we have the inlet and outlet, which is down the bottom rather than situated in the middle, which allows us to utilize that screen. So pretty cool, neat little CPU block. So to cool our PC, we have not one, but two Thermaltake C360 radiators. Now this is the Thermaltake Core P3 Pro, so it has availability for two 360 radiators. One of the panels, like you can mount it in different positions, so you can either go at the front or the top. So we'll see what looks best, but I think we are going to need two 360 radiators. So that's what we're gonna go with. I might actually swap one of these for a thicker one as well, but it depends on how much room we have. So these are the brand new Thermaltake Tough Fan 12 RGB fans. Has the awesome performance of the Tough Fan line of fans, but instead of lighting up the blades with RGB, they've actually lit up the frame, so it doesn't affect performance at all. So I'm super excited to actually give these ones a try. Actually, I love the little gold accents in there. Maybe these could be some that we use next week as well in our other build. Ooh. With the gold and black.
Let me see.
There you go, do the zoomies, yes. Zoom in.
There it is.
Do you see it?
I see it now.
And the whole frame lights up RGB back and front. So these are gonna be pretty cool in this build. So as much as we would love for this to be an RTX 4090, unfortunately we don't have too many of them on hand at the moment. So we are going with an RTX 3090 Gaming X Trio from MSI. Now let's be real here guys, this is a display PC, so there is no need for an RTX 4090, and the 3090 is capable of playing all the latest games anyway at max settings, 60 FPS. Wait, this also has no PCB either. That means the graphics card is water blocked somewhere. We'll be right back, we'll go and find it. So again, we've found the graphics card, the MSI Gaming X Trio RTX 3090, and it is pre-blocked with EK water blocks, and of course we do have a backplate on it as well. This will be our graphics card for today. At least it's already water blocked, so that makes it a lot easier for me. With a brand new Thermaltake GF3 1000 watt power supply, comes with the 16-pin power for newer generation graphics cards. However, we are going with an RTX 3090 today, so we're not going to have to utilize that new power plug. Well, it actually looks pretty good. It's not an RGB fan, but it is going to do the job really well. Oh, I ripped it. Oh God. This is the Pacific PR32D5 pump reservoir combo going into our Core P3 Pro system. Oh, excellent. I was wondering if we had some mounting options for this. So that is going to be perfect. What is this, the 32? Does that mean 320 millimeters tall? Not too sure, but I did want to go for a taller one. So this is what we're going to be using. We're going to fill it with some nice liquid to get that full avatar theme happening. The nice sort of blue-green swirly liquid. What do you think?
Yes.
We'll make our own custom one.
That'll
I
be
think that'll
awesome.
look really nice.
Yeah.
We've got another banger PC video on screen for you right now. Make sure you subscribe and we'll see you over there.